When we go on the bigger time frames, we can clearly see that US30 is in the uptrend, hasn't really made any lows for the past couple of weeks, struggled to break this wall here at this level of price. Let me highlight it for y'all. So we see how this was a strong support level, and then price struggled for days to break this level until we had the huge breakout candle on Friday. And then now we're above this level of price right here that we can clearly see when we zoom out. There's a support level here, support level, resistance is on top of it now and it's retesting it, which we'll see when we go on to a smaller time frame. We can see that how it hit on the 4 hour is pushing back up. And then when we go even on an even smaller time frame, we can see how price is trying to push back up. It's already above the zone right now, but it's underneath this level of price, which is right at this gap. So I want to see it come on top of here and then close on top. And then we could potentially look for buys to here minimum. So we can get a quick scalp here to around 31,380-ish. Or depending on how it reacts, it could potentially keep pushing up. But we're just going to have to see what happens during New York session. Because all right, y'all, so what's going on? So y'all saw in the clip, called this trade out way before London session started and during London session. I knew this play was going to play out during New York. Called the trade out. On the right side of the screen, you can see the signal. This was strictly a members only trade. But again, I did in the live stream say that I did see US30 and all the indices being bullish and would be looking for buys. Also went over the price ranges. So if anyone watched that live stream, that could have gotten to a trade as well. But when I personally entered the trade, I only notified the members for this one. But another trade that I did enter was SPX. I signal go out to the free Telegram as well. So we're just going to break down this trade, and there's also going to be videos dropping for those trade breakdowns as well. So be on the lookout for that. So again, it was pretty simple trade, right? We go on the daily time frame. Notice we caught the entire daily candlestick. After this rejection wick, push back up. We caught the buy when it broke above the daily zone right here, which we can see right here. That's the power of trading off these zones. So in the video, like I was saying in the live stream, I did see price retracing a little bit. Saw that going to happen. Retrace here after hit the 4 hour zone. As we see the support resistance level here, you can see how we have these rejection wicks here treating as resistance level, resistance, resistance. So a strong resistance when price is going bullish and breaks above it can turn to a strong support. And that's what we see here. Price broke above it, retested, as we see here, broke above, retested, then shot back up. So strong resistance turned to strong support. Wait for it to break above the dailies time frame zone for an entry there. So when we go in the smaller time frame, we can see it much more clearer. Above the zone, waiting for price to break above this wall, because if it could break and stay above this wall and treat this as a support level, then we could see buys continuing up for the rest of the day. And that's exactly what we saw. Okay, we see price broke through here. We also see how price reject this level a little bit, and it started treating this resistance level as a support level. We can see that clearly here. Then price push up with volume, right? So let's just do a bar replay to break this down. We see how price hit that, treating as a resistance, retested again, still hasn't broke it, rejected the next candlestick, retested, now it's about to break above it, broke above it, retested it, now it's pushing up. Now we see it's retesting that level, and then price started to stack up, and that's how we caught some pips. Just like that. We test these levels, then we're line picked back up. Now we're currently at where we're at now. Very simple trade setup. So if you're not trading off these support resistance level, I highly suggest doing so. I do call out the prices during the live streams, and also the members, as you see on the screen. They get all the prices. They also get chart analysis videos for New York and London session, telling them my watch list, charts I'm looking at, and if price breaks certain levels, if we can look for buys or sells up to X amount of price, whatever the case may be. So if you're interested in that, click the links in the description. I do one-on-one mentorships, and I also have the Advanced Play Signal Room where we do mentorships as well, 3 weekly Zoom calls, as well as you get notified every trade I take, as well as other possible trade setup ideas. But yeah, this video is not going to be that long because it's very simple trading off these zones, zone trading, trading off these key price levels where we see price reject or reject at certain levels. It's very simple. But you enjoy that video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any video suggestions you have, any questions. If you want to contact me directly, you can hit me up on Instagram at playmaker_way, or if you join that free Telegram first link in the description, you can hit me up on Telegram as well. See y'all in the next video.